What do you gotta say to the camera, TTN, man?
Trill, nigga.
Trill, TTN, whatever we want to call it. What do you gotta say to the camera?
And, boy, back first of all, buy that
Okay,
camera.
my fault, OG.
But saying about how y'all doing, you feel me? We just chilling in this bitch, me and my nigga Wavy.
What? Time out. Okay, for my niggas that don't understand your lingo, what did you just say, bro?
I said we just chilling in this bitch. Nigga.
Explain.
We just been chilling, you feel me? That's what I mean.
You just trilling.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's up?
And we chilling, obviously. But
we trilling. Okay. I see what you coming from.
Man, we were Wavy, nigga. Fuck bitches, get money.
Okay. I hear them niggas, man. You with me, nigga. Oh my God, I keep dropping my camera. Hey, bro, what we about to do? Tell them niggas what we about to do, bro. Tell them.
Hey, we about to go to Wingstop, you feel me? We about to get some good eats, some quality eats.
Okay. What we about to try there, though?
I think we about to try that chicken sandwich. I think so.
Yeah, we about to try that chicken sandwich, man. I don't really do food shit on my channel, bro. I don't try food, but if y'all niggas don't know, but you know now, I love chicken. I love sandwiches. Combine them shits, nigga. That's top 5. Amos Wingstop. And you can pick the flavors. They OD'd on that. Nobody else really doing that. Hey, why you keep calling this nigga, bro?
Oh my God, bro.
He said, why you keep calling him, bro?
That was my fault, bro.
You was just trying to check up on your nigga?
I was making sure you knew where you was going, cause you knew.
Tell them niggas where we at, bro. Yeah, we ain't stop with it, man. I can act up. Wait, it's only $8 for this combo?
Oh, see, we going crazy.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I'm gonna get that garlic parmesan chicken sandwich. You feel me? Probably like garlic ranch. Yeah, like Lou will do it, and like I know you Lou will do it. Chill. I feel like Lou will do it, but in like a different like Wakanda letters type shit.
Wakanda letters?
Yeah, like real shit. I'm gonna tell you what this. I'm gonna show you what this look like. Chill, nigga. I don't know why he's laughing. I'm saying.
Nigga said Wakanda letters.
Chill, nigga. Chill.
So you gonna do Will? Damn, can I see it too, nigga? Oh.
No.
Let me see. How the fuck that shit finna look, dude? That shit finna look like some... How does Wakanda have an alphabet? Wakanda's real?
Yeah, that's how Wakanda was fake. It is. It's like but it's like it's. Never mind.
What is it?
Never mind, bro.
Nice. What is it?
It's just like
I didn't even want to know.
because I don't want my tattoo to be like everybody else's tattoo.
So... That nigga cook. What you be smoking on? Look at his eyes, red.
Eyes red.
No, I'm dick munching. Fuck you smiling for, bro?
I'm happy. I'm with my niggas, man.
My fault, bro.
It's a day to be alive.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how excited for your chicken sandwich are you?
I'll probably give it like an 8, cause I don't feel like it's gonna be like OD, but you feel me? It's gonna be a little.
That bitch got no sauce. You know what I'm saying? That's why you got that ranch on it.
No, cause it got the flavor, but you gotta have.
What flavor you get?
I love parmesan.
What flavor you get?
I got mild. That's just like buffalo, right? What'd you get, bro?
I got spicy Korean.
That nigga got some hot shit.
Shot boy, man.
Alright, you can go. I need your genuine reaction. Alright, bro, you can go now. Eat that bit. Hurry, nigga. What in the fuck? Okay. Yeah, digest that shit. We don't want to see what you're chewing in your mouth over. Yours might be the quickest because yours might be the worst, nigga.
I don't know why that nigga hit.
He hating on your sandwich.
I don't know why that nigga hit. This shit good.
Alright, 1 out of 10. 1 out of 10.
I'll give it like 8.5.
Oh shit, and it's that garlic palm?
Yeah, I feel if it was a barbecue, that's fine.
So you folded.
Nah, bro, it's still good
It's not
though.
really what you wanted though.
But it's still good though. I was supposed to try it because I haven't tried it before.
Okay. Okay.
It's
That's
good.
valid.
What's going on, bro?
What's going on?
You say you scarfing the bitches.
I didn't say that.
Pickles too?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm taking pickles on mine, but
Yeah.
I mean, it literally only comes with pickles.
Mm.
No cheese. It just comes with pickles.
Okay. The bitch is still nasty.
I mean,
Just give me y'all pickles, bro.
oh, you just like in SpongeBob. Look at this shit, y'all. Oh my god. That bit look good. I'm gonna do a little pickle taste. Let's just see.
Richard, pick up the Richard.
That's a little dry.
Hey, yo, give that nigga your pickles, yo. Damn.
They got a little buffalo sauce on them.
It's all good, nigga.
It's hella pickles, bro.
I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, that's important, too. Pickle munch. Alright,
I'm
nigga.
going in, bro.
So what's this talking about? Damn, pickle munch.
Oh my god.
Huh?
I'm not gonna lie.
That shit good as hell, bro.
Because you
It's up
changed
there
the
with-
chicken flavor, the base chicken flavor, I'm putting this above Chick-fil-A.
Oh, shit.
Only
Y'all
because
here.
you can change, not because guess what, bro?
Relax, bro.
It happens.
Relax, bro. It's up there. It's competing with Popeyes. I'm gonna say that.
Okay. I'm gonna do first bite with no sauce. See how that shit hitting, pop. No sauce. I ain't gonna let this bun look. Just- Yeah. They did their thing. It's better than Popeyes. Let me be real. This shit economical too, nigga. This shit $8. Where else are y'all getting meals like that? $8. A chicken sandwich, fries, and a drink? They don't do that shit around. Burger King, that shit like $8. That shit $10, and that's Burger King. Come on, this shit. Y'all can get bro. If y'all get a $5 biggie bag, just put $3 more in that bitch, and you'll get this. Fries good as hell too. Hold on. Let's get that fries with ranch. Alright. Dip that bit. That's a big dip, my niggas. That shit top 5.
W service. W flavor. It was cool.
No, I ain't gonna lie. Because of the flavors, bro. It's a 10 out of 10. Because of the flavors. Yeah, versatility. Okay. Other places not giving you this sandwich.
Yeah, you not lying. So what's your rating? What's your rating looking like? I know your shit 11 out of 10. So you fucking your shit up.
Same rating as Wavy, 10 times. Again. Can't beat the change flavor. You gotta control your sandwich, man. Like that.
Hey, I'm tell y'all niggas the truth. Yeah, this shit 10 out of 10. I ain't gonna lie. Nigga, it's unmatched, bro. The sauce is unmatched. Food unmatched. Shit 10 out of 10, bro. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. They gonna be having my service again.